on the back, the MSR RCs. I'll do another box open. I received this today. I received it from RC4WD. Ordered a few things, and I got a couple of the 4 of the gift bags. I actually received a box. I was kind of disappointed. I was thinking, you know, a box, big box, but this is what it comes. So we're gonna open this and show y'all what we got. So I'm gonna open up here. I got a few things I ordered. Actually got me one of the actual working high lifts, and ordered some decal sheet for my Toyota. The Toyota 2.0 I got. Then ordered a set of scale hubs and the tool to tighten them up with for the Toyota 2.0 trail finder. See here what we got here. Yep, high lift. And I got 4 of the mystery bags, which they was $5 a piece. But I'm really ain't disappointed when I open the mystery bag. So let's look here at the first guy. That is my high lift, which that is really nice. But this ain't open. Yeah, this is the actual working high lift. I think it's cool as crap. See if I can make it work. Oh yeah. That's badass. I have to mount that on my TF 2.0. Instructions, get the sticker sheet. That's cool. Alright. Next thing up. Heck yeah, that's my sticker sheet for my TF 2.0. We'll give you a part number on it. Yeah, and this is the part number on the high lift. Should be giving y'all some part numbers, so maybe y'all want something like this, y'all know what to order. Alright. Yeah, back. RC. Oh, I like them, that's cool. I like stickers. These are my scale hooks. Got the Yoda style. Part number on there. And it's the tool to lock them in with. Part number it. Between $30 to $60 per bag. This is mystery bag number 1. see, let's open it up, see what we got. These are a one winch cover. That is super cool. I like that. Two of them. Definitely use one of them. Or both of them. Yeah, let's see here. Our sand ladders. My cat's hauling away. And let's see here. Oh, that's cool. Chainsaw. Part number for them. Part number for my sand ladders. This thing will focus. I'm hoping the part numbers will be able to focus to y'all. And that chainsaw. Maybe it is focusing for you. That's bag number 1. Don't know if that'll be worth. It might be $30 worth. Yeah, be close. These 3 items. Here's mystery bag number 2 we're working on. Let's get it open. Looks about like the same thing bag 1 had. Yeah, well, got some more winch covers, which I probably can use all 4 of them. Probably the same part number. Yes, they are. Got some different sand ladders in red this time. Part number. And I got a snorkel. That is, which is the rubber snorkel too. That's cool. That might go on the Toyota TF2 2.0. Yeah. Part number. Alright. Got a mystery bag number 3, which I labeled it. Get it open. Small bag, but can't tell what I got in. Let's see, first thing. Got a diff cover. This looks like for AR-60, maybe. That's pretty cool. Probably can use it. I'll come up with some kind of idea with it. Give it a part number on it. And another one. Which I got 2 of them now. Both of them same part number. That was mystery bag number 3. I'll let you know on this. I doubt it. That's $30. Might be. Alright, here's mystery bag number 4. Get it open. I got 2 scale hands. It's pretty cool. Which I 3D print my own. Part number on these. Same part number. Another set of sand ladders. They must have a lot of these to give out. The same part number to the other sand ladders. And I got a scissor jack. 3-ton scissor jack. Which it's pretty cool. Kinda might be a little out of scale because I ain't seen, I'm a mechanic and I ain't seen one that big to go up on a 10th scale. This is probably like an 8 scale series. It's actual functional screw jack. That's cool. Well, I got $20 in it, which that's probably 20. I don't know how much these go for. I have to look it up and see. I'll give you the part number on it. Y'all let y'all look it up. 20 bucks for that stuff. I guess ain't done too awful bad. Really like the Snorkel. That is cool. Flexible Snorkel. Yeah, that'll probably go together. Alright, that's what I got on this side here. My mystery bag, which I guess I done out for $20. Bought 4 bags. See anything you need part number for and you didn't catch it in the video, you can hit me up in the messages and I'll give you a part number. Thank you for watching MSR RCs. Till next time, like, share, subscribe.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.